Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Calendar events using export in Google Takeout. Full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Google Calendar website. Log into your Google account if you aren't already. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left sidebar, find and click on Import and Export. In the export, you will see a zip file download to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the zip file to access its contents. Inside, you will find an .ics file that contains your calendar events. Now, let's explore Google Takeout for an alternative method. Open a new tab in your web browser. Go to the Google Takeout page. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Scroll down to find the option for Calendar. Check the box next to Calendar to include it in your export. You can choose to customize your export by clicking on All Calendar Data Included. Select the specific calendars you want to back up. Once you've made your selections, click on OK. Scroll down and click on the Next Step button. Choose your preferred delivery method for the export. You can select options like email or add it to Google Drive. Decide on the frequency of the backup once or every 2 months. Select the file type for your export, like .zip or .tgz. Click on Create Export. You will receive a notification when your export is ready for download. Once completed, follow the link provided to download your calendar data. Locate the downloaded file and extract it if it's in a compressed format. You now have a complete backup of your Google Calendar events. Store these files safely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.